A very good morning, dear students. In my previous video, I read half of the part of this chapter, Harris in the Maze. This chapter is a piece of story taken from the novel Three Men in a Boat, written by Jerome K. Jerome. It is a very humorous book which is about a 2-week boating holiday experience of three friends who decided to set off for a journey in a boat, and they came across so many adventurous and funny incidences that makes this book quite humorous and quite funny. But this chapter is not about their experience of going on a journey in a boat. This chapter is about one of the characters of the story. Three friends, out of three friends, there is one of the friends, Harris, who is telling the narrator and his another friend George his own experience of visiting the world's one of the world's largest mazes in London's Hampton Court Palace. So ये तीनों दोस्त जिनके ऊपर ये बुक थ्री मैन इन अ बोट जिस पर बेस्ड है, ये तीनों दोस्त लंदन के हैम्पटन कोर्ट पैलेस से गुज़र रहे हैं, वहाँ से क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. And while they were passing by the Hampton Court Palace, Harris asked the narrator that, have you ever been in a maze? And then he told them about his own experience of getting into this palace, and then he got the chance to getting into the maze. And this was a very memorable experience for him. He told them that before he went there with his country cousin, with one of his cousins, and when they got inside the maze, everything appeared very easy because they had consulted the map. तो मैप देखने पर उन्हें ऐसा लग रहा था कि अंदर जाकर मेज़ के पैसेजेस को बहुत इजीली कवर किया जा सकता है और बहुत इजीली इस मेज़ से बाहर निकल के आया जा सकता है. It appeared easily because the map was showing such kind of direction that appeared to be very simple, and it appeared that it's very easy to make an exit from this maze. Maze is actually a network of path which is designed as a puzzle, and इसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं भूल भुलैया. So when they got inside, they found out that it was not as easy as the map was showing. It was actually very difficult. But because Harris has consulted the map, so he was very, very confident, and he won the confidence of other people who had got stuck inside. तो अंदर जो और लोग फंसे हुए थे, जिनको बाहर जाने का रास्ता नहीं मिल रहा था, वो लोग भी हैरिस के साथ मिल गए, क्योंकि हैरिस ने उन सब के आगे इतना कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाया जैसे उसको पता है कि बाहर निकलने का रास्ता कहाँ से है. एंड दिस वे ऑलमोस्ट 20 people were there behind. Harris was leading almost 20 people behind him, जिनको उसने ये भरोसा दिलाया था कि वो उन्हें डायरेक्शन दिखाएगा यहाँ से बाहर निकलने की. But when it was the time to make an exit from this maze, they found it really very difficult. They kept on walking and walking for hours, but they didn't find any way. And then they also got to know that they were actually walking on the same passage again and again because a woman who had hold a baby in her lap had thrown a piece of bread there. और जब हैरिस के कज़न ने ध्यान दिया कि बार बार वो उसी रास्ते से गुज़र रहे हैं जहाँ पे ब्रेड का टुकड़ा गिरा है, तो तब उन्हें पता चला कि their effort of getting out of this maze was actually futile, and now people became very hopeless. That lady became so angry, she even called Harris an imposter, a fraud, और उसे लगा कि उन लोगों को अब ये लगने लगा कि हमने हैरिस पे भरोसा करके बहुत गलती की, क्योंकि हैरिस भी उन्हें वहाँ से बाहर का रास्ता दिखाने में सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो पा रहा था। और हैरिस दूसरी तरफ ये देख रहा था कि धीरे धीरे ही वॉज बिकमिंग अनपॉपुलर अमंग ऑल द पीपल, बिकॉज पीपल हैड स्टार्टेड लूजिंग फेथ ऑन हिम. So to gain the confidence of these people once again, he suggested that they should come out to the entrance, and from entrance they would again start, and they would go and they would find out the exit in this maze. So people, they were not very enthusiastic, they were not very excited, but they accepted this proposal because they had no other option. तो जो सारे के सारे लोग थे, more than 20 people were there, ये सब जो इस मेज़ का एंट्रेंस है वहाँ पे चले गए, और एंट्रेंस से उन्होंने एक बार फिर से अंदर मैप देखा और फिर से अंदर जाने का रास्ता ट्राई किया. लेकिन इस बार भी वो चलते रहे अंदर जाकर दे वंस अगेन reached at the center of the maze. So this was the last paragraph that I read for you in my previous video. Harris thought at first of pretending that was what he had been aiming, but the crowd looked dangerous and he decided to treat it as an accident. जब दूसरी बार भी उन्हें रास्ता नहीं मिल पाया and once again they got stuck at the center of the maze, then Harris became little afraid. He was thinking that now people would become, they were almost 20 people, they would become angry and they could even beat Harris. अगर उन लोगों को गुस्सा आ गया तो वो शायद हैरिस को पीट भी सकते थे, इसलिए वो डर गया, हैरिस डर गया, and Harris just told them that it had happened by mistake. He decided to treat it as an accident. So anyhow people didn't lose their temper. लोगों ने अपने गुस्से पर काबू किया, and once again for the third time they decided to go back to the entrance, and once again they consulted the map, and once again they started getting in to find out the path or find out the way to get out of this maze. So let's see what happened. Anyhow, they had got something to start from. Then they didn't know where they were. They did know where they were, and the map was once more consulted, and the things seemed simpler than ever, and off they started for the third time. So once again they started their journey for the third time. Once again they went back to the entrance, and there they consulted the map. एक बार फिर से उन्होंने मैप को देखा, और अब उन्हें पता था कि वो कहाँ से अपनी जर्नी की शुरुआत कर रहे हैं, कहाँ से अंदर चलना शुरू कर रहे हैं. एंट्रेंस से वो चलना शुरू कर रहे थे, because they had consulted the map. So this time it was appearing to be quite simple. देखने में ऐसा लग रहा था इस बार भी कि वो आसानी से अंदर जाके रास्ता ढूंढ लेंगे, and they would easily come out from the maze. But ऐसा हुआ नहीं. Once again what happened, and 3 minutes later they were back in the center again. They got inside and they took the same direction which was shown in the map, but once again they reached at the center and they could not find out from which way they have to go out of this maze. They couldn't find the exit. After that they simply couldn't get anywhere else. Whatever way they turned brought them back to the middle. It became so regular at length that some of the people stopped there and waited for the others to take a walk round and come back to them. Harris drew out his map again after a while, but the sight of it only infuriated the mob, and they told him to go and curl his hair with it. Harris said that he couldn't help feeling that to a great extent he had become unpopular. Third time also it was the failed attempt. They were failed to find the exit. तीसरी बार भी वो अंदर फिर से सेंटर पे आके पहुंच गए, और उन्हें पता लग गया कि उन्हें अब बाहर निकलने का रास्ता नहीं मिल पा रहा है. After that they simply couldn't get anywhere. Whatever way they turned brought them back to the middle. चाहे वो लेफ्ट जाते, चाहे वो राइट जाते, any path they would take, it would brought them back to the center. Now they had become so used to it. It became so regular at a length. अब तो उनको इतनी आदत हो गई थी कि उनको पता है कि हम किसी भी रास्ते जाएंगे हम पहुंचेंगे एट द सेंटर ऑफ दिस मेज, दैट सम ऑफ द पीपल स्टॉप्ड देयर एंड वेटेड फॉर अदर्स टू टेक अ वॉक राउंड एंड कम बैक टू देम. So some people even stayed there at the center of the maze and they waited for other people. They would go and take a walk around and they would again reach to the center. उनको पता था कि कोई भी अगर हम लेफ़्ट जाएंगे तब भी हम यहीं सेंटर में पहुंचेंगे, अगर हम राइट डायरेक्शन लेंगे then also we will reach the center of the maze. So this one thing was clear, that consulting the map and going according to the direction of the map was not going to solve their problem. Harris drew out his map again. Harris ने एक बार फिर से मैप निकाला to consult which way they should go, but this time it only infuriated the mob. Please underline this. Infuriated the mob means this made people angry. जब लोगों ने देखा कि हैरिस अब 4th टाइम फिर से मैप कंसल्ट कर रहा है, फिर से मैप देख रहा है, तो उनको गुस्सा आ गया. It just made the people so angry and they told him to go and curl his hair with it. They were so angry that they started shouting at Harris and they told that you better curl your hair rather than seeing it for finding the exit. You better curl your hair with this map. Harris said that he couldn't help feeling that to a certain extent he had become unpopular. और हैरिस जो थोड़ी देर पहले उनके आगे डींगे हाँक रहा था कि मैं एक्सपर्ट हूँ, मुझे पता है बाहर जाने का रास्ता क्या है, उसे अब ऐसा लगने लगा कि लोगों का विश्वास अब उस पर से उठ चुका था and he had suddenly become unpopular. Let's see what happened after that. They all got crazy at last and sang out for the keeper, and the man came and climbed up the ladder outside and shouted out direction to them. So now these people have lost their patience. 3-4 बार उन्होंने कोशिश की एंट्रेंस से वापस जाकर डायरेक्शंस को फॉलो करने की, बट एवरी टाइम दे फेल्ड एंड दे रीच बैक एट द सेंटर ऑफ द मेज. So now they had almost lost their patience and now they started singing out for keeper. Sang out for keeper means called out. ज़ोर ज़ोर से अब वो जो कीपर था, the one who was there to look after the maze, they started calling for the keeper. उन्होंने कीपर को बुलाया और वो आदमी भी वहाँ आ गया. The man came and climbed up the ladder outside. So this man climbed up the ladder from outside so that he can see all of them from the top of the maze and he can tell them which direction they should take. So the man climbed up the ladder outside and shouted out the direction to them. But all their heads were by the time in such a confused whirl that they were incapable of grasping anything. Now these people, when this man took a ladder, and he stood at the top of the maze to see the direction from outside and he started telling them the directions. वो उनको instruct करने लगा कि अब तुम right लो, अब तुम left की direction लो. But these people were not in condition of following their instructions. Their minds were totally confused. अब उनका सिर घूम चुका था, अंदर इतनी बार लेफ़्ट राइट के चक्कर ले लेकर अब उनका सर चकराने लगा था. एंड दे फेल्ड टू फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शंस गिवन बाय द keeper of that maze. Then what happened? So the man told them to stop where they were and he would come to them. So this man decided that you need not to go anywhere, you stay where you are, I will get in and I will come to you, and then together we will find the exit and we will get out of this maze. They huddled together and waited and he climbed down and came in. All these people, they huddled together. Huddled together means इकट्ठे हो गए, एक साथ एक दूसरे को पकड़ के बैठ गए, right? They came close to each other. They huddled together means they came close to each other and they waited for the keeper to get inside the maze. And this man, he climbed up the ladder and he climbed down the ladder. वो सीढ़ियों से नीचे उतर कर अंदर आ गया. and now this man also joined them in their journey to find the exit of this maze. He was a young keeper and, as a luck would have it, and new to the business, and when he got in he couldn't find them, and he wandered about trying to get to them, and then he got lost. Unfortunately, this keeper couldn't help them. वो अपने आप अपना रास्ता उसने अंदर वो अपना रास्ता भूल गया, बिकॉज ही वॉज न्यू टू द जॉब. ही हैज़ जस्ट जॉइन, ही वॉज अ यंग मैन हु हैड जस्ट जॉइन द जॉब. सो व्हेन ही, जब वो सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ के ऊपर से बाहर से निकल के अंदर आया, तो उसे अंदर उन लोगों तक पहुँचने का रास्ता नहीं मिला. ही हिमसेल्फ लॉस्ट हिज वे and he kept on wandering here and there, he kept on roaming here and there, he kept on walking here and there. He couldn't find those people. They caught the sight of him looking round every now and then, rushing about to the other side of the hedge, and he would see them and rush to get them, and they would wait there for about 5 minutes, and then he would reappear again in exactly the same spot. अब तो और भी ज़्यादा confusion create हो गया. This man was walking to the right and to the left. He was trying to reach to them, but he could not find. उसको वो लोग दिखाई तो दे रहे थे, लेकिन रास्ता उन तक पहुँचने का क्या था उसे नहीं पता था. And these people were also able to see them coming to them, but which path he was following, they didn't know. So there was a complete mess, there was a complete confusion. Harris, the one who was very very confident that he would help these people coming out of the maze, had flopped. हैरिस की जो भी बड़ी बड़ी बातें उन लोगों को जो बड़ा विश्वास दिलाया था कि मैं तुम्हें यहाँ से बाहर निकालूंगा, उसका वो भी फ्लॉप हो गया, उसका आइडिया भी फ्लॉप हो गया. चार बार इन लोगों ने अंदर जाकर लेफ़्ट राइट घूम के रास्ता ढूंढने की कोशिश की. दैट आइडिया फ्लॉप्ड, एंड देन they called the keeper, and the keeper, who could very easily help them because he used to take care of that area, that man also failed to help them because he was new to the job. So there was a complete mess. People were badly tired, they had lost their patience, they were very very angry. So at last उन्होंने वहाँ से निकलने के लिए क्या किया? They had to wait till one of the old keepers came back from his dinner before they got out. For hours, for many hours, बहुत घंटों तक they were stuck at the center of the maze and they waited till night. रात को डिनर टाइम तक उन्हें वेट करना पड़ा. After the dinner, one of the old keepers who knew the exact way to get in and get out of the maze, that man, that old keeper, came there and he helped these men to get out of this maze. So this shows the character traits of this funny character Harris. 3 men in a boat का जो एक main character है, 3 men in a boat में 3 characters were there. One was the narrator, Jerome, सेकेंड वॉज हैरिस, थर्ड वॉज जॉर्ज. और इस चैप्टर में हमें सिर्फ वी आर गेटिंग टू नो ओनली अबाउट हैरिस, द कैरेक्टर ऑफ हैरिस, who is a very funny guy who keeps on boosting about his intelligence. जिसको ये लगता है कि वो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है. एक बार मैप को देखकर वो लोगों के सामने इतनी बड़ी बड़ी डींगें हाँकने लग जाता है कि मैं तुम्हें इस मेज से बाहर निकालूंगा. बट हिज आइडियाज़ बैडली फ्लॉप्ड. इतनी बुरी तरह से उसके आइडियाज़ फ्लॉप हो जाते हैं कि उसे दैट वन ऑफ द लेडीज़ अमंग दिस क्राउड, वन ऑफ द लेडीज़ कॉल्ड हिम एन इम्पोस्टर, फ्रॉड. लोग उसे अब फ्रॉड बुलाने लग जाते हैं और उसके आइडियाज़ बिल्कुल काम नहीं कर पाते. एंड दिस वॉज द वेरी फनी इंसिडेंट, हाउ पीपल वर गेटिंग इन, दे वर मूविंग टू द राइट एंड टू द लेफ्ट, एंड एवरी टाइम दे फेल टू गेट आउट ऑफ दिस मेज, एंड द एंटायर सिचुएशन बिकम्स वेरी मेसी, वेरी confusing. And at last only an old keeper was able to help them. So it was a very humorous chapter. Do read it once again, give it a self reading. If you have any doubts, do ask me in the virtual class. I will clear out the doubts. So yes, This was all for this class. Now reread this chapter and get ready for the next virtual class. Thank you.